Hello everyone, welcome to hrpreparation.com, India's first online institute for HR competitive exams. Now we are going to discuss about syllabus for IBPS SO Mains HR. Go to blog. Here you can find IBPS SO HR Mains exam syllabus. You can find here IBPS SO HR Mains exam syllabus. As we know that IBPS has not declared or mentioned or provided anywhere the official syllabus for the IBPS SO. But here we provided this syllabus based on the last few years previous year paper analysis. We could understand what were the topics are asked in the previous year papers. Now you can find actually the syllabus for the exam as per our experience. IBPS SO Mains exam syllabus here we can categorize into different parts like general management. Under general management or management. So under management there are principles and theories of management, functions of management, organization structure, strategic management. So these are the common topics, the questions asked from these common topics. So we have to cover these are the topics from the management. And human resource management. Under human resource management there are so many subtopics, and so we have to focus at least few of them, like fundamentals of HRM, job analysis, human resource planning, recruitment, and placement induction, compensation management. So there are very important topics under this human resource management. However, we have a time and we have to go through at least the basics of the syllabus. So here under human resource management, fundamentals of HRM models, human resource planning, HRP, job analysis, recruitment and selection, placement and induction, compensation management and other benefits, HR audits and accounting, human resource information system, HRIS, international human resource management, IHRM, recent trends in HRM, strategic HRM and EHRM. So EHRM is a new concept under human resource management. Come to human resource development. Under HRD, we can find so many subtopics like fundamentals of HRD, performance appraisals, training and development, career management, and organizational development and change. This is the ODC. Next to the organizational behavior. So, organizational behavior plays a crucial role in IBPS SO Mains HR. Why organizational behavior plays crucial role? If you check exam analysis in this blog, so you can understand how many questions were asked from the different topics or different sections. So then only you can understand where to focus more. Organizational behavior, under this fundamentals of OB, individual behavior like perception, attitude, learning, group behavior and team building, motivational theories, leadership theories, communication, organization culture and climate, conflict management. So these are the subtopics under OB. So we need to cover these topics. Coming to industrial relations, IR. Under IR, so if you consider the previous paper analysis, so there are two different important parts. One is the core concept. Core concept consists of the management, HRM, HRD, OB. So these are the under core concepts. So if you go and check the previous paper analysis, we can understand 50% from the core concept. The core concepts like management, HRM, HRD and OB. The rest 50% can be splitting into IR, labor legislations, labor market and labor laws. So the 50-50. So that is the reason we need to focus more on the core concept. At least 50% we have to concentrate on that. The rest 50% we have to concentrate on the other part of the IR. So IR also plays a crucial role. Sometimes most of the questions from the IR. Here you can find industrial relations. Under industrial relations, foundations of IR, grievance and dispute, collective bargaining, settlement of dispute, workers' participation in management, trade unionism. So these are the very important topics under industrial relations. And labor legislation, the principles of labor legislation, constitutional provisions, ILO, and labor welfare and market. So foundations of labor welfare and market, wage theories, labor administration. These are the topics we have to cover. And coming to the labor laws. Based on the previous paper analysis, labor laws occupies very little amount of percentage. So we may or may not concentrate more on the labor laws, but this is the little toughest area in this particular syllabus. So, but there are 15 labor laws we need to focus. But my recommendation is here, so you need to give very less time for the labor laws, because if you calculate overall percentage from the previous papers, so it occupies around 10 to 15. It's not more than 20%. So that is the reason we have to give very less amount of time for this particular section. But we need to focus on more on the theoretical part, like conceptual topics. Those are from the management, HRM, HRD, OB, then industrial relations. That is the area we need to focus more on preparation. So we know this is the exam pattern, and 60 marks, 60 questions in this exam, and 45 minutes actually the time for the 60 questions. So how to prepare and what is the actually the preparation strategy we have to follow? So we already prepared one video on this, and one article is also available in blog, so you have to go and check in our blog section. So you can find in blog how to crack IBPS SO mains HR in 30 days. So this is a very important article. You just read this article